Hi, this is Muhammad Usman from Pakistan and you're watching Paper Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add applications in Windows Startup. Let's suppose you want to own a specific application when your PC gets on. So for this, you have to type Command Windows and R from your keyboard. So this dialog box will open, and here you have to type this command shell:startup and just click on OK. And here you have to add a copy of application which you want to own when you start your PC. Let's suppose you are a graphic designer and every time you start your PC you want to own Photoshop by default. So for this, just search the Photoshop here and right click on it, open file location, and just copy this exe file and paste here. Now every time you start your PC, this Adobe Photoshop application will automatically on. You don't need to click on this application icon. This will automatically run when your PC startup. So this is the way you can add more and more applications in your Windows startup setting. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn Windows operating system or Mac operating system directly from me, you can contact me on Fiverr, on Upwork. I'm a full-time freelancer and computer teacher, so I can teach you all Windows concepts, all Mac concepts through live classes. Take care. Have a very good day.